going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Logan, if you don't know me already. Today is the grand opening of our Chemical Guys detail garage. I keep saying our. I don't have any piece of ownership, it's just sets, but I'm over here sporting and having fun. But today is the day where we are actually opening up the shop for everyone, so this will be pretty fun. There's gonna be a bunch of people there. I'm actually gonna go head there right now and stop at some Starbucks, or stop and get some Starbucks because I'm tired. And if you watched yesterday's video or last week's video, we're up until like 4 o'clock in the morning getting everything ready in the shop, so I got like literally 2 hours of sleep, and I need some coffee in me. I hate pulling out of Seth's garage because every single time I do, I feel like I'm gonna hit something. Wow. Where should I park?
What's that?
Think I should park at the end or by the Porsche?
You can park next to the other Macan.
All right.
Alright, here we go. Detail garage progress!
Let's go! So we just got here to the grand opening. We have all these awesome cars and a huge line of people waiting all the way out of the street. We got Mitch right over here. I guess he's starting his vlog as well. Hope you guys can hear me because of the wind, but check out some of these cars. This Lambo is awesome. But I'm here with Mitch too. I'm gonna go around and show you guys some of these awesome cars. I already know you guys are gonna roast me in the comment section because I don't know the name of half of these cars, but this is Lamborghini Huracan and it's matte black and it's pretty sick. Got the windows blacked out, you can barely see inside. Whose is this?
It's Max.
Do I know Max?
Matt.
Oh, Matt.
Yeah.
Matt. Then we got Seth's Ferrari right here. Mitch's Porsche. I want this Porsche so freaking bad. This is like, honestly, if I could pick between this Ferrari and his Porsche, I'd probably pick the Porsche just because the sound and, like I said, that spoiler is just like absolutely crazy. Then we got Cameron's Porsche as well. No offense, Cameron, but Mitch's is way better than yours.
Hey, good lunch. Have a good day. Thank you for being our first one.
Alright, I'm hiding out back here in the office because I need to put on a Chemical Guys shirt because I'm just wearing this plain red shirt, but it is slam packed out there. Even the lines outside are still all the way to the street. This isn't the shirt I wanted, it was just the only one that's in medium, but the donut's actually pretty cool. Oh man, I should have gotten a small. Even the medium is huge. Maybe it'll shrink. I hate shirts that are too big. It's like my biggest pet peeve. Man, dang, that sucks. I should have got a small. Too late now. You guys have heard me say it before for my Porsche. This is like my dream color. This like teal, I don't even know exactly what it's called. Dalton's truck, who's on my channel with the big truck, his truck is actually wrapped a satin Key West. Is actually the name of the wrap. I either want that or like this awesome teal blue. This is my favorite color to be on a Porsche. All right, I'm just curious, just out of these cars parked right here in the front, which one is your favorite? Let's say this parking spot 1, 2, 3, 4, and it just goes all the way down. If you could just pick one car, no money involved, just one car for you to just get as a gift. You can't sell it, you can't do anything to get any money out of it. Just the car for itself.
The Porsche for sure. The best one in the lineup.
Out of all three, from here all the way down. I'll bring you guys all the way down there. Comment down below which car is your absolute favorite. Honestly, I'm probably still gonna say Mitch's Porsche. But yeah, comment down below between this one and all the way back. The sun's right in my eyes. Which one is your favorite and which one would you take? No money involved. You can't sell the car. It's not about how much maintenance it costs to maintain it. Just the car itself. Which would be your favorite? Comment below. Wasn't that on this side? We have this tent set up outside and the wind, I don't know if you guys can hear me because the wind's so bad, but the wind has like completely shifted the tent. So the legs to the tent originally were right over here and the wind pushed them all the way over there and actually broke the pipes to the whole canopy. So we're about to take this down so it doesn't fall in somebody's car and have a lawsuit or just a lot of pissed off people. So we got that tent down. It's clear. Literally, as we're collapsing that, the tent's like turning into a kite because the wind's so bad. I thought I'm like right in between. That sounded really good and like really bad. But anyways, the wind was like turning into a kite and we almost lost the canopy and hit his car, which would have sucked. This GT is pretty sick. I love the racing mirrors and the fact that this is like actual carbon fiber and that's paint around it. It's not just a decal. Now all of this is completely open. That's pretty sick. I love this wrap too. I haven't seen it in person. Here we go. What do you guys think of this? I love Jeeps. This is like freaking rock crawler. I don't know if this is part of the, oh, what in the world? Oh, that's awesome. I'm sure this is obviously part of the show, otherwise why would it be here and parked in like 5 different parking spots? But obviously it's not like a car, but this is pretty awesome. I would love to have one of these just to like drive around on the weekends and like, honestly, just get attention. I just realized, I think that they painted it with like a bed liner.
Yeah, I've seen people do that before.
And I love that you can take the steering wheel out and just pop it in just like a race car.
I was actually gonna do it to my car.
Wait, really?
I was gonna put a race wheel in it and then walk around and just carry the Porsche steering wheel.
I'm sure whoever owns this Jeep probably has a lot of fun. This thing is so cool. I would love to freaking just take this and just rock crawl all day. Or honestly, just drive around on the beach and just get attention because like nobody's gonna see this and not look at it and say something. I keep seeing these like crazy loud cars just whip by right here. I'm literally just like waiting out by the highway so I can catch some car just flying down the street. I just stood out here for like probably 10 minutes trying to get that shot and realized there's like a huge crowd of people by the shop, so I'm gonna go see what's going on over there. But man, I've been waiting for like a Ferrari or a Lambo to just race by, but I don't know, there's just pretty much all the nice cars are parked right there.
The Nürburgring is known as the Green Hell. This is called the Beast of the Green Hell when it came out. So they did it in the Magna Green to kind of be bold, stand out, but also to get better footage while filming on the Nürburgring. So yeah, it was made specifically for the Nürburgring, and like that's what Mercedes, that was their intent, was to make a track beast for the Nürburgring.
That's beautiful. On the carbon fiber mirrors. That.
Where do you think the exhaust is?
Right there?
There, right there, and right there.
Oh, I would assume on the sides, but not right there. That's pretty cool.
It routes through to the middle, and then whenever you put it like in track mode, it opens the valves.
Oh, that's awesome.
It routes it for each side, so it's kind of like how my car goes out each corner. This is like a mix between my exhaust and Cameron's.
Man.
So it valves it through mufflers in a nice, fully straight pipe.
Anyways, this Mercedes AMG GT is amazing. I want this car in like a satin gray, would be so freaking awesome. So I couldn't get any like sick shots of anyone like speeding down the highway over there. So Mitch is actually, can you guys see me because of the wind again? Mitch is actually about to leave. So I'm gonna get some shots of him flying down. Hopefully traffic is not too bad and he can actually whip it around pretty fast. Since traffic is so bad, I'm not sure exactly what we'll be able to get, but if he can hit like 90 miles an hour taking that corner, it would be pretty sick. Who knows what we get, but we'll see in a second.
Fire the hole.
Well, that was good footage. I don't know what you guys can see or hear, but my ears, like, you don't understand. His Porsche is so freaking loud. When you're right up next to it, it's like ear piercing. Oh, that's kind of good. That guy just flicked me off. Anyway, that was pretty cool. And those like girls in the back of the car thought Mitch was famous. So he's like, oh my God, can I follow your YouTube channel? So that was pretty funny too. So we're pretty much wrapped up now. Most of the nice cars have left just because it's like almost 4 o'clock. So the only cars that are here are just like the owners and then friends of the owners. But I'm probably gonna wrap up this vlog with a montage of all the awesome cars. So definitely comment down below what was your favorite car. But if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, drop a like on this video as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.